Every morning before the sun rises, our trucks are already on the road, delivering clean linens and fresh uniforms to healthcare facilities throughout the Northeast. For more than 95 years, Unitex has been leading the way in healthcare linen and laundry services, with trucks on the road everywhere, navigating highways, city streets, and country roads in every kind of weather condition. With a fleet of over 170 trucks dispatched from 11 plants, with 2 more opening soon, we are always in your neighborhood, servicing all types of healthcare providers. From hospital networks and surgical centers, independent medical and dental practices, to nursing homes, clinics, and laboratories, you can rely on us to be there. Because we understand the high-quality reusable products we wash and deliver enable healthcare professionals to provide the best care for their patients. And while our experienced route service reps are out making pickups and deliveries, over 1,750 team members are behind the scenes processing 300 million pounds of laundry annually in our state-of-the-art facilities for over 6,000 customers. Unitex carries an extensive product line of textiles that includes customized healthcare apparel, patient gowns, linens, towels, floor mats, microfiber, and other patient-preferred items. These products are laundered in compliance with the highest regulatory standards at dedicated plants to more efficiently service different types of customers. Unitex has always strived to be one step ahead by innovating and evolving to meet our customers' ever-changing needs. We do this by reinvesting more capital than our competition to plan future expansions and to implement automation, green policies, and emergency contingency plans, making us the largest and most modern healthcare laundry provider in the country. Our history is long, but we don't live in the past. We look forward to every day because we know our customers are a vital resource to the community. They stand ready to receive those who need medical care, and we are there to support them. It's what our family has done since 1922. It's what we plan to keep on doing. Unitex. We care about you and your patients.